my favorite recipe for sloppy joes, right here. You can't beat it. It's all the, I've tried everything, and just keep coming back to this. I have a tip for you. This is my hamburger, which I pre-cooked at home, so I could get rid of a lot of the fat that, when you're up camping and you cook ground beef, you got all that fat to deal with. What are you gonna do with it? It's a real hassle. So I cook my ground beef, drain it, and cool it real fast. I froze this one. It's still frozen actually, but it makes cooking quicker, easier, and faster. So I'm all for that. And get my pre-cooked ground beef in there. I'm actually only going to cook half because it's just me. Because then I don't know what I do with the leftovers. I don't really want to have much of that around because I'm in bear country. Which poses a problem here too. Like, what am I going to do with the other half of this can? So I'm not really sure at this point yet. As you can see, the pan's pretty hot. All I'm really going to have to do is, I don't even have to get all this cooked because it's already cooked. Let me turn the heat down. Well, maybe I'll just cook it all. No, I'm not. Alright, we'll dump about half of that in there. Maybe a little more. I tell you, this little stove kicks out the heat, I'll tell you. Turn that down. This is going to be the fastest sloppy joes cooked that you've ever seen. The hamburger's probably not hot yet, but we'll give it a minute. Got my buns ready. Usually I like corn. Canned corn with my sloppy joes is my favorite combo, but it's getting late and I'm in a hurry and I just want to get some food done. It's been a long day. Get this warmed up here. Let me take a quick taste, see. It's almost done. Dang. I mean, we're doing this real time just to show you by having the ground beef pre-cooked. It's just super slick. I can plate this up. I mean, it was hot. Let me try another. Yeah, it's hot. Good part about this cast iron, it's going to hold the heat for a while, and when I come back for seconds, which I probably will, it should still be fairly warm. So let me turn this heat off. Dish this up. Well, I'm gonna go find somewhere to sit down so I can eat this. Probably right on this bench over here next to the doggies, and just enjoy myself eating my sloppy joes.